Hold on, I need to sneeze. Come on. I hate that feeling. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do a summer beauty hacks. Exciting because summer's coming up. Everyone loves summer. So I want to show you guys some tips on how to look pretty during summertime. I'm actually going to my graduation later at 5. It's 3:15 right now, so I have enough time to film. But I want to show you guys my cap. I just did this 2 days ago. I bought everything in Michael's. It says Future IT and Mrs. I don't know if you guys can see. And I bought those flowers in Michael's. I just added those the metal flower in there. It's like all separated. I love it. I just added like gold letterings too, and then like, you know, where you put the tassel, I just put the flowers in the middle so it looks cute. And I'm just wearing this dress from TJ Maxx. It's like a cute dress. I was gonna wear something with like pants because my graduation's at 6, and sundress won't really like look good. I mean, it will look good, but so I went with this. It's not really a sundress. It's more like, I don't know what I'm saying. Without further ado, let's get started to the video. So summer beauty hacks number 1. If you got oily hair, I got you, girl. Just use baby powder. Some of us like using dry shampoo, and some of us don't like using dry shampoo because it makes our scalp very drying and very drying. I know it's dry shampoo, but sometimes what am I saying? But some people actually have sensitivity on their scalp. So I have another dupe for you guys. Use baby powder. I know sometimes you guys don't like using baby powder because you don't want to look, you know, you're old, that you have gray hair. But if you use it overnight, it will help you like crazy. So use the baby powder overnight. Put some on your hair. When it gets, of course, oily, while you're sleeping, it will dissolve and it will go around your hair because obviously we toss and turn our head. So when you wake up, it will look amazing. So your hair, it looks like you just got out of the shower. Because, you know, actually second day for me is like the best hair day. I don't like first day because it's too, I can't work with it, you know. Not like, yeah. Try not to wash your hair every day. I know it's hot, we sweat, but don't wash your hair every day. Even for guys, if you're watching this, don't wash your hair every day because it's gonna thin out your hair. Your scalp is not gonna like it. It's gonna make it more dry, so you're gonna have a little dandruff going on over there. So don't wash your hair. Let the natural oil go throughout your whole hair. We need it, you know, so we don't have to use like those expensive branded hairstylists, whatever. So use baby powder and it will help you, I promise you. Summer beauty hack number 2. We all still put makeup during summer times, and sometimes we just don't like the cakey face. Nobody likes cakey face. We all want natural looking, very smooth skin, you know what I mean? So do not use so much makeup. But of course, we still want coverage, and I also do still want coverage. What I recommend is to use a cream or liquid foundation. If you guys, for me, I have very dry skin, so I still use liquid foundation because I want my skin to look dewy. But if you guys have very oily skin, I recommend cream foundation because it will look more natural and it will like easily blend too. I do not recommend pressed powder foundation because that will make your face cakey. We all want to bake our face every time we use makeup, but I rather you skip that and just pat a little tiny bit of powder. Do not bake it because that's what creates cakiness in your face, at least for me. And I also recommend what I always use during summertime. I love those blush skin, and of course I want my lips to always look cherry, you know, and I don't like putting too much makeup in the summertime because I just don't like it, you know. I want to show my tan and everything like that. So what I use is Benetint. It's amazing. You know, I use it for my cheeks and I use it for my lips. it will like actually stay very long time. And I use it going to the beach, and it actually like lasted. I don't know if I was just hot that my cheeks would turn more red, but I usually like going out to eat after I go to the beach. So I just like, you know, put that a little bit on my cheeks and my lips, and I look like I put makeup on. Because we all want sun-kissed skin, you know? Sun-kissed skin so hot, I'm melting popsicle. Anyway, on to the next. So, summer beauty hack number 3. We all get sunburn. Summer, sunburn, the 2 keyword for summer. That's 4, 2. Yes. So obviously, to avoid that, just use sunscreen, because it's like you need it. You just need it, because you don't want to have freckles, even though freckles are so in now. But I'm just saying, you don't want to have so much freckles, because when you stay out of the sun without sunscreen, you will have freckles and you will get a wrinkly face. Not wrinkly body. Yeah, wrinkly face. You don't want wrinkly face when you get old. We want to protect it now. So I recommend you guys to use sunscreen at all times. We all forget to put sunscreen. I sometimes forget to put sunscreen. So what I do is do 2 things. So that's what I did. I bought a moisturizer that has SPF in it, SPF 15. So I use CeraVe right here. And you can also get Olay from drugstore. You don't have to really. It's like actually a dupe for those branded stuff that you get in Sephora. I recommend more CeraVe, because that's more in a, you know how Clinique, it's more for sensitive skin. CeraVe as a dupe is that, like for, there you go, hypoallergenic. That's what I was like, the word I was thinking. CeraVe is a hypoallergenic moisturizer that has SPF in it. It's like very helpful. If you don't want to have moisturizer that has SPF in it, that's okay. I still recommend you guys to get a foundation that has SPF. Tarte is actually a really affordable one, and you only need a little bit of it. I used Tarte one time, and it's like my skin looks so flawless. So they have this one has SPF, I believe SPF 15. Yeah. It's only $39 that you get in, I think they have it, yeah, they have it in Sephora and Ulta. So go grab that if you guys want to. And if for drugstore dupe, you also can get the L'Oreal Infallible that has also SPF 15. That's like really perfect, because 2-in-1 coverage and SPF. That's like amazing, because girl, that sun, it's really gonna kill you. If you don't put sunscreen, you will like see very quickly like you're aging, your face will start to get wrinkly. It's just not gonna be good, because I'm telling you, the sun is frying your skin if you don't put sunscreen. So next summer beauty hacks is our number 4. Do not put so much heat on your hair. So I recommend put some heat protector on your hair. We use heat protector when we blow dry our hair, when we curl our hair, or when we straighten our hair. It just got in my head that, you know what, when you go out, your hair gets so hot. Like on the top of my hair, it gets so hot. It's like the same temperature, or not temperature, yeah, probably, I don't know, like same feel of heatness from the sun and from me using a flat iron when I curl my hair. It's literally almost same like feel temperature. So what I use is hair protectant, hair heat protectant. If you don't want to use a hair heat protectant, you can also use this called Moroccan oil. You just like, it's like an oil that will protect from the sun, from the heat, and it will also, I'll be right back. Summer beauty hacks number 5. So I still sometimes use lotion, but I stopped using lotion because it gets so sticky during the summertime, and I hate feeling sticky. So I switched to baby oils. So I still get a little ashy on like my elbows or my knees, even though during summertime. So instead of using lotion, I use baby oil. So no more sticky skin. Summer beauty hacks number 6. I'm gonna title this 6th hack, sweat proof blowout. So you know when you use hair dryer, when you try to dry your hair with a blow dryer, or when you just use a flat iron to you know, do your thing. Sometimes your neck get really like sweaty and like sticky. I have a solution for you. Use a deodorant. That's not only for your armpit, but it will also work for your neck every time you blow dry your hair, because that deodorant will kind of like take that sweat, like absorb that sweat. So use a deodorant. It might sound a little like weird, but it will help. I never done it before, but my sister done it many a times. I'm actually gonna try to use the deodorant, put it in my neck sometimes when I curl my hair. I don't really blow dry my hair because my hair is naturally straight and it doesn't really get frizzy, and I usually take a shower or wash my hair during the nighttime, so I don't really have to worry about, you know, drying my hair. But I'm definitely gonna try it when I'm in a rush, or just at a time that I needed to wash my hair during the day that I need to blow dry it. I'm definitely gonna try it, so I want you guys to try it. I'm like forcing you guys to try it. Like, yeah, try it and leave a comment below if you guys like it or if it worked, because I'm gonna try it myself. Summer beauty hacks number 7. We all want smooth legs and smooth arms every summertime, right? We always shave. Well, lucky for me, I don't have to shave because I literally have no hair. If you guys can see, I have like literally no hair and no hair on my legs. Lucky for me, I don't have to deal with that. But for you girls, if you guys have tons of hair that needs to be shaving every summertime, girl, I'm telling you, exfoliate before you shave. Literally, you need to exfoliate because you need to take out all the dry and dead skin. I know that because I have to shave my armpit because I do have hair on my armpits. I wish I don't, but I didn't get lucky enough. So I always exfoliate my armpit before I shave because I want to take out all the dead and dry skin so it'll be nice and smooth. And then second hack for this 7th hack is use a conditioner instead of a shaving cream, because conditioner is more smooth. And I don't know if you guys notice when you wash your hair and if you have like a little conditioner in your, you know, it will run through your skin, it will still be smooth and you will have to really like rinse it. So if you use a shaving cream, it will, when the water is running, the shaving cream will also run with the water. But if you use a conditioner, it will like kind of still stay there and it will like leave very softly, and it will make your hair very soft too because it will condition also your hair. So I would recommend to put a conditioner instead of a shaving cream. Leave it for like 5 seconds to make it, you know, your hair a little soft, and then shave it, because not only your skin will be soft, it's also your hair will be soft, so it's easier to shave. You guys get me? So yeah, instead of shaving cream, use a conditioner. You're welcome. Or for a more natural side, you can also use coconut oil. That will do the same as the conditioner. It will make your skin smoother. It will make your hair smoother too, for an easy shaving routine. For shaving. Beauty hack number 8. So let's go back to moisturizer. Here we go again. I'm telling you, I'm gonna like mumble the word moisturizer again. This is a really cool hack because it will like save your face. Not save only, not save, but your face will love you. Put your moisturizer in the fridge. It will like feel so good when like that cold moisturizer put on your face. It will feel so refreshing, and it will make your skin more like tighter, because you know when you put cold water on your skin, it will close your pores and it will feel like that tightness. So if you put your moisturizer in the fridge, it will make your face cooler, it will make your face tighter, and your face will just feel refreshed. So that's like 3-in-1, just putting your moisturizer in the fridge. So moving on to beauty hack number 9. People that use mascara, everyone knows, put waterproof mascara if you go to the water. So I have another hack for that. Instead of using a mascara, use a Vaseline. So that Vaseline will not only moisturize your lashes. When you put Vaseline, it will make a little like the illusion of like thickness, and like it, you know, when you put Vaseline on your face, it kind of like highlight. So when you put it on your lashes, it will kind of like highlight, and it will make your lashes look thicker, and it will actually make it longer. I'm actually gonna make another video for like beauty hacks that I actually posted on my Instagram. So maybe if you guys don't want to see it again, if you guys just go to my Instagram on my IGTV, I have a beauty hack there and you guys can see it from there. Okay, so my camera died and I couldn't film continuously because I had to go to my graduation. So I'm filming actually the next day. But it happens. So let's continue. And last but not least, of course, water. Water is like the best summer beauty hacks ever. It will make your skin very glowy. It will make it more of like alive, I would say. Yeah, like, you know, like when you just like feel like you feel so refreshed, water will do that. Water is like literally like the key of everything. If you're like sick, water is like best for you. If you want a good healthy skin, water will be your best friend. So I'm telling you, drink lots and lots of water. It will not only hydrate you, it will make your skin, like I said, glowy. It will just do the magic. You know, you will like see the difference. You will feel more alive actually. So I'm like sick right now, so actually water is a good one for me. So yeah, water is like the top summer beauty hacks of all times. That's it for this video. I'm gonna have another video coming up. I'm actually gonna film right now. It's gonna be facts about me. So probably after I upload this video, that's gonna be uploading the following Sunday. So make sure you stay tuned. I upload videos every Sunday. Make sure, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already yet, and make sure to click the ring bell too so you guys are updated to the videos I upload on Sundays. And give it a thumbs up, and make sure you follow me on my Instagram and Snapchat, Soriano. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!